Hi everyone, Natalie here with Fitch Creations, the only on-site real estate office for Farrington Village. Today I am in the lovely Montgomery neighborhood on this cul-de-sac to show you this wonderful one-level, functional, flexible floor plan and a great opportunity to own a new construction home. You are on the corner here of this nice quiet street. You are easy location to walk to everything from here. It's got this wonderful brick front porch, plenty of space for some chairs. You could even have a small table out here and have some drinks or coffee in the morning. Plenty of space, just 3 steps up. Here is your view from the front door. And as we enter, you will notice the foyer is oversized, tons of space, certainly plenty of room for sideboard, either side or both. And of course, the first thing you see is that wall of windows, really bringing the outdoors in, which is always so nice, all that natural light. So you do have a coat closet here, but then you also have this powder room, which is super convenient for guests. You enter straight into this wonderful open space with tray ceiling, fireplace. You can see the view out the back. Certainly enough room and nice and flat for some nice patio, stone patio, or you could do a table out here as well. And look at how open and wonderful this floor plan is. So there's that foyer again. So you see it's a very generous sized. And then a totally open kitchen with the peninsula island. Tons of counter space. My favorite thing, a walk-in pantry. Tons of storage in this home. Here is your view from the sink. And then you can just see how this is truly the heart of the house. In addition to some bar area here, perfect for some chairs. For breakfast area, you do have this space as well for dining. And then this sunroom is just wonderful and so versatile. You could have a really nice sitting space in here, den area. You can see it is surrounded by windows. You do have a door, so if you were to put a little patio space back here, it'd be perfect. Just a really nice, happy, sunny spot. And then you've got a couple of coat closets and storage closets here, as well as a nice sized laundry room. You've got this pretty flooring throughout. 2-car garage, very convenient to the kitchen. And then through here, you have the bedrooms. The first guest bedroom is actually really a perfect den or even an office space. It faces the front and that front porch. Certainly would be a great size bedroom. And then through this doorway here, you have some storage, and then you can close off this whole area and actually have a second full guest suite, because the guest bathroom is through here, which is perfect. You can see a tub shower combo, and it's a great size as well and faces the back. The main owner's suite is very generous. We've carried the floors throughout this room. Love the high windows. You've got a good size walk-in closet. The closet faces the front, but the bedroom is quite private. And then the ensuite. And a wonderful walk-in shower. And you do have a small linen closet in here as well. Great, great storage. This is such a great home and such a great location. www.farrington.com or give us a call at 919-542-4000.